Something brought us here, to the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, where the streams and waterfalls flow right down Main Street. There's an undeniable force, a force that draws you in with compassion and pushes you out with enough confidence to shake up the world. This is a force of nature, of nurture, of deep understanding. A force that brings a community together with all its bells and whistles to produce the ultimate, intimate, home field advantage. Because around here, we have created lasers, given voice to the public, built an unrivaled legacy, and risen to political peaks. This is a force to be reckoned with, a force 200 years in the making. This is where extra achievers become ultra-curricular, where a private institution serves a greater public mission. Something brought you here, to a time and place where your decisions can actually drive change, where every day you can lift up your window and see the world staring you right in the face. At Furman University, opportunity is all around you, but you still gotta take it and make it your own. So take our commitment, combine it with everything you're capable of, and the world will be forced to take notice.